Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I've got a very quick video for you. I'm going to be showing you a non-standard proof that there are infinitely many primes. So the standard proof uses contradiction. That's not what I'm going to be doing today. Anyway, let's get stuck in. Okay, so we start by choosing any natural number bigger than or equal to 2. So little n is a natural number which is bigger than or equal to 2. And then we introduce a sequence of positive integers. We're going to have n1 being equal to n. And then for any I, ni plus 1 is simply going to be equal to ni times ni plus 1, like so. Okay, so this will give us, for example, n2 is equal to n times n plus 1, because n2 is just n1 times n1 plus 1, and n1 is just n. So we get this thing here. n3 is equal to n times n plus 1, and then times n plus 1 plus 1, and so on. So we introduce a sequence of numbers, capital N1, capital N2, capital N3, and so on. And I claim that each of these numbers, what I want to show is that N1, clearly, because it's bigger than or equal to 2, it has at least one prime factor. But then if we look at N2, it's the product of two consecutive integers, and thus is going to have, those two are going to be co-prime. So this one's going to have at least one prime factor, and this one's going to have at least another prime factor. So this is going to have at least two prime factors. Then this guy's co-prime with this guy, but notice that these are both co-prime with this guy, because n is clearly a multiple of this guy, but then when we add on one, co-prime, and the same thing with this n plus 1. So this is going to have at least three prime factors, and then you continue this argument inductively to show that ni has at least I distinct prime factors, and of course, because there are infinitely many natural numbers, that means there are infinitely many prime numbers, because of course you can increase I arbitrarily big. And that proves that there are infinitely many prime numbers in about 2.5 minutes. I hope you have enjoyed this very quick video. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.